So first what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a teaspoon of this extra virgin olive oil. We're gonna put it here over medium heat. Oh, and I just got just enough. Just enough, that's all. I gotta buy another one. So we're gonna put this in there. Okay, now we're gonna add our diced onions that I chopped up earlier. And you're gonna let these cook for about 3 minutes. So they get, what's the word they use? Translucent. Okay, once it's cooked about 2 to 3 minutes, you're gonna add in your mushrooms. I have a pound of mushrooms. So that's about 2 8-ounce cartons of mushrooms. I use white mushrooms. I washed them, you have to wash them. So here we got some thyme. We're gonna sprinkle a little bit of thyme in there. You actually can put all this in there because it's gonna get blended up. So. Also a little bit of fresh cracked black pepper. Make sure you're stirring so the bottom won't cook. Don't get me wrong now. I come from a background, we don't really eat this type of stuff. But now I've been exploring cooking, even with healthier ways to make foods and dishes. This is gonna be banger. Okay, now once it's cooked down to about 5 or 6 minutes, you wanna add your minced garlic. I chopped up about 6 cloves of garlic. You wanna add this 4 cups of chicken broth. That's 2 cups. Let me add one more. 4 cups. You're gonna turn this up just a hair. And you're gonna let this cook for about 8 to 10 minutes and then remove it from the heat. This is what you want. So once it starts boiling, and turn that heat down to let it simmer. So now it's been simmering for about 10 minutes. We're gonna take about a cup, maybe a cup and a half out of here. A little bit more. Okay, now we're gonna take this and pour it into our food processor. Now we're going to pour this back into our mixture. So right here we're going to add a half a cup of heavy cream. I'm going to add one more 1/4 of a cup. Just to get mine a little bit creamier. So right here I got a good piece of Parmesan cheese. I'm gonna grate it up. It's better to get it grated and then get the shredded cheese already. I'm gonna start with this end right here. We're gonna add our Parmesan cheese. So So that's about 3/4 cups, maybe a little bit more, of Parmesan cheese. And this right here is just a flavor bomb. I use this organic ground nutmeg, just a pinch. So I added a little bit more fresh cracked black pepper, some onion powder, garlic powder, and a little bit of salt. And I add a little bit of melted butter. It's for your soup people. This is people who have, who want to eat low carbs. It's more plant-based. It's more plant-based, not all the way plant-based, but flavor is great.